Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a simple yet sentimental gift that you can just make for anyone and just put a smile on their face. This is going to be my 8-1 any occasion bouquet, whether it's just I miss you just because, congratulations, graduation, baby shower, you name it, for any occasion. This is just a great way to just let someone know that they're special, that you're thinking of them. And I know real flowers are beautiful. Yes, they are. But they die. And with what I'm going to share with you, these will last a lifetime, forever. So, all right, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, so here are the goodies, the vases, the accessories, everything. So here I removed the tags off the bottles, and I'm going to do that off of the flowers and everything else, of course. Here I'm opening the stones. Whoops. Filling up everything in the vases. Even put some little sweet treats in there. Yeah, I ate a few. But you can fill them up with anything. You could use aroma potpourri, whatever you'd like, candy, whatever. Here I'm taking my flowers and I'm opening them very wide to kind of shape them in the manner that I want them to be. And as you can see, here I'm adding some more garnishments, these little hearts, just a little bit of decoration to add to the vases to give it more volume. Now I'm getting ready to decorate the actual vase. And you're going to use these little glue dots and adhere them to each of your rhinestones, as you can see here. And you don't want the glue to be visible because you want it to look very clean on the vases. And here you go. This is my aunt's vase. She's an AKA. Shout out to the green and the pink. Now to the pictures. Make sure they're laminated. Cut them out. And now we're going to get ready to adhere them to the straws. Gonna take some wire, cut them to the length of the straw, and I'm going to squeeze them into the straw just so that the straws don't bend and fold. Now I'm going to tape the picture to the straw, and ta-da! Here you go, your simple yet sentimental gift. Just pull up someone's Instagram, Facebook, get their pictures, send them to Walgreens, print them out, laminate them, and here you go. Thank you again so much for watching.